In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the WordPress footer section in just 5 minutes. Customizing your WordPress footer can give your website a more personal touch and help convey information that is important for your visitors, like contact details or links to terms and policies. It's also a fantastic opportunity to make your brand's presence felt across every page of your site. So, let's get started on this quick guide to making your footer uniquely yours. First, you'll need to head over to wordpress.com. This is your starting point for accessing and managing your WordPress site. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the Login button. Clicking this will take you to the Login page where you can enter your credentials and access your site's dashboard. If you're not already logged in, make sure to have your username and password handy. Once logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. This is the command center of your website, where you manage content, plugins, and appearance settings. Now, look along the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see a menu with several options. We're interested in the Appearance tab, so go ahead and click on that. Within the Appearance section, you'll see an option labeled Editor. Click on Editor to access your site's theme editor. The theme editor is where you can start to dive into customizing different parts of your site, including the all-important footer area. With the editor open, you'll now want to find the Patterns option. Patterns are pre-designed layout pieces that you can freely edit and customize without needing to dive into coding. When you click on Patterns, you'll see various options that you can use to lay out different sections of your site. Among these options, you will find the footer pattern, which is what we need to customize the bottom part of your website. Select the footer option, and you'll be presented with different layout choices. This is where you can see live previews of how your footer might look. You can tweak these options, add your own text, links, or even widgets to ensure it fits perfectly with your site's identity and the information you want to communicate. Remember to save your changes frequently to avoid losing any of your work. After you've personalized your footer to your liking, it's a good idea to preview the changes on the front end of your site. This ensures everything appears as you intended and functions correctly for all your visitors. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully customized your WordPress footer, making your website stand out and offering a personalized experience to your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below or check out the additional resources we have linked. Happy customizing, and see you in the next tutorial.